Do your clothes stink? Do they have this weird smell every time you get done washing them? Chances are your washing machine is super dirty. But no worries, this washing machine cleaner from the TikTok shop will be able to clean your washing machine in no time. This is a 1-year supply. And guess what the price is? It is only $5.90. Also free shipping. Let me show you exactly how it's done. Each packet comes with 12 tablets, one for every single month. For a cleaner, deodorized, and refreshed washing machine, simply throw one of these in there just like that. Close the lid, power on your machine, and let it go through a cycle. And if your washing machine has a tub clean or a cleaning feature, select it, press start, and you're ready to go. The cleaning process has begun. Now your washing machine will clean itself. It will be fresh. Your clothes will be smelling better. Also, it will clean the entire tub as well. Get yours while they are still in stock. Under $6 on the TikTok shop. Free shipping as well.